In today's video, I am going to teach you how to dominate Kit. The goal here is simple. You are going to create a landing page in Kit, turn on the right subscriber setting, publish it, and then share the link so people can join your list. First, log into your Kit account and look at the main navigation. Head to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is the area where you build the pages that collect new subscribers. Keeping everything in one place makes it easier to manage your designs and your opt-in settings. Next, click Create New and then select Landing Page. Kit will open a template gallery. Choose any template you like. The exact design is not critical for this process, so pick one that fits your style. Once you find a template you want to use, select it and click Choose. This loads the landing page editor and gets your page ready to configure. Now focus on the top right of the editor and click Settings. In the Settings panel, go to Incentive. This is where Kit controls what happens when someone enters their email and signs up. To streamline signups, check the option labeled Auto Confirm New Subscribers. With Auto Confirm enabled, subscribers will be confirmed immediately after signing up, which can reduce friction and help more people successfully join your list. Make sure you use this setting intentionally since it changes how confirmation works for this page. After that, click Save to store your changes. Then click Publish in the top right. Publishing is what makes your landing page live and accessible to anyone with the link. If you forget to publish, people will not be able to reach the page, even if you have designed it perfectly. Once the page is published, Kit will provide a URL. Copy that URL exactly as shown. This is the link you will share on your social profiles, in video descriptions, on your website, or anywhere you want people to subscribe. Keep it somewhere easy to access so you can reuse it without having to search for it later. That covers everything you need to know.